Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to another episode of Busy Beader. My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be making a gorgeous looped drop pendant crystal necklace. Sounds complicated, but I promise once you see how it all works, it's super simple and easy, and you'll be whipping it up in no time. I was inspired by the look of snow in the sunlight for this piece. So I wanted to catch the sparkle, the elegance, all of those beautiful poetic things. You gotta romanticize snow, otherwise it's just cold. So today we're gonna be jumping in and making this necklace. We will only be using a couple of different supplies, chain, some jump rings, a clasp, and then our drop pendant is actually a Crystal Passions piece. So you can get all of these materials and tools that you'll need for this project from my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. Their website is in the description below. You can go directly to them and you can search around to find all kinds of fun stuff. If you're wanting the exact materials that I used today, you can also go and check out my website. It'll have step-out instructions breaking everything down in this video and links to the direct pieces that I used. So let's get into it. Step 1, you're going to gather all of your supplies and your materials. Step 2, you are going to measure your chain. I used a 16-inch chain, but you can make it however long you'd like. Then you're going to take that chain and cut it in half. For me, that was 2 equal 8-inch pieces, but just in half is the thing that matters most. Then you're going to cut 3 pieces of the exact same length. I chose to use 4-inch pieces because I thought that that would look best with my length of chain and my design, but of course you can do whatever you would like with that. You just need 3 smaller chains of equal length. After cutting all of your chains, you are now going to add a jump ring to your drop pendant crystal here. And you're going to go ahead and close that as well. You're not going to add anything else to it. That's just going to sit by itself. Now you're going to take that and add it to another jump ring, and the chains are going to be attached to this as well. So you're going to first take a smaller chain and then a longer chain on one side of the pendant. You're going to flip it over and you're going to do the same thing again. 1 small chain and 1 longer chain. Once all of that is attached, you're going to go ahead and close that jump ring. It should look a little something like this. Now I'm just using a ruler here to verify my measurements. I decided that since my chain was 4 inches long, I was going to go about 3 inches up from the pendant because I didn't want the droop to be too dramatic in it. But of course, do whatever you think feels right for your piece. You're going to go ahead and attach your shorter chain to the point that you choose on your longer chain. Again, mine was at 3 inches, and you're going to close that jump ring up. And you're going to do that on the other side again. Just make sure that they're even. That's the most important thing. I tend to use a ruler for one side and then count up chain links on the other, but whatever suits you is really just fine. Just make sure that they're even. That way, no matter what your design is, it'll look great. Close that jump ring up. And now we just have one last loop to apply. So you're going to open a jump ring and attach it to your last piece of chain. I went about a 1/2 inch up, again, whatever your preference is, but here I am attaching that. And then you're going to attach the other side as well, just making sure to keep it even. So open that jump ring up, attach it to the other end of the last bit of chain you have, and attach it at the same point on the other side. Here you can see me counting chain loops. And we're just going to close that up. Now all we have left to do is attach the clasps. So this clasp already had a jump ring attached. If yours doesn't, you're just going to want to grab another jump ring. Going to open that jump ring up on the clasp and attach it to one side of your necklace here. Hang in there with me. We are almost there. Going to close up that jump ring. And you're going to use another jump ring to be the attachment point on the other side. So here I am opening that up. And then you're going to attach it to the other side of your necklace here. And this is what it should look like when you are all done. A gorgeous piece, if I do say so myself. I really hope that you enjoyed getting to make this piece with me today. As you can see, it just looks so wonderful on. It can kind of look like a little jumble when you're putting it all together, but as soon as it lays out across, it just looks gorgeous, like you're a snow fairy. So please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, as well as check out my website and my sponsor's website. I hope that you enjoy this chilly, snowy season and that you get a chance not only to spend time with your friends and your family, but to make a little something. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.